Would you rather have this travel system that's lightweight and newborn ready, even if it gives up some storage and flexibility, or this travel system that offers more ways to adjust as your baby grows, even if it's bulkier and heavier? We're comparing the Joie Ginger Rue to the Graco Modes Nest in case you aren't able to. Starting with the fold, both strollers fold down easily and are designed to fit in most trunks. But Joie folds flatter and locks automatically, which makes it easier to store or carry one-handed, while the Graco collapses into a bulkier shape that takes up more space. As for size and weight, both are full-size strollers, but the Ginger stroller weighs about 23.6 pounds, keeping it light but sturdy, while the Graco comes in closer to 27.5 pounds, making the full system heavier. When it comes to ride and maneuverability, both strollers include suspension and swivel wheels, so you'll get a smooth ride either way. But the Joie is more agile. Its narrower frame and lighter body make it easier to steer with one hand, while the Graco offers a more grounded feel with a wider base and bigger wheels for uneven surfaces. As far as the canopy goes, both strollers offer UPF-rated canopies with peekaboo windows, but Graco's extends further and includes magnetic closures for silent check-ins, while Joie's canopy has mesh panels for breathability but provides slightly less coverage. When it comes to the infant car seat, both systems include infant car seats that attach easily to the stroller and base, but the Rue seat is noticeably lighter at just 7.8 pounds, with a more compact fit that's easy to carry and install, while the SnugRide DLX infant car seat offers extended rear-facing use and wide compatibility, but at around 9.8 pounds, it's a bit heavier to lift daily. As for the storage basket, both strollers offer spacious underseat baskets for daily gear, but Graco's basket is roomier and easier to reach from both front and back, while Joie's basket is slightly smaller but still holds all your essentials. And lastly, value and affordability. Both systems aim to deliver value by bundling key gear together, but what's included makes a difference. The Joie includes the full setup: stroller, infant seat, base, and adapters, for one price with no extras to buy. This system is great for parents who want something lightweight, easy to carry, and ready to use right out of the box. While the Graco may require a few accessory add-ons to match Joie's newborn functionality, it gives you more configuration options and a roomier ride. It's a better fit for parents who want flexibility and don't mind a little extra bulk for more features.